Hi, everybody. I'm going to talk to you about how you get your college credits from Academy of Finance at Como Park High School to your next school, whatever that may be. Okay? Your next college is going to ask for three things from you that you are to provide. One will be your Como Park High School transcript, which you can get by asking Miss Tao how to get that. Okay? Number two is you need to get the St. Paul College transcript if you took business ethics and accounting, all right, or you received the 16 college credit. That's going to be on a St. Paul College transcript. So you need to call them to get that. And then the third thing is what we're going to kind of cover today, which is called it's the CTE website, which houses the credit that you receive through high school. Those classes would be business and global economy, business information applications, and business communications. Okay? Your business ethics and your accounting are both going to be on your St. Paul College transcript. All right, so here we go. You need to go to this website up here. I hope you can see it. It says ctecreditmn.com. You need to go in there and create a new account if you haven't done so far. And a lot of you actually haven't. So you need to create an account, use a personal email because you are out of this school very soon. So use a personal email, make a password, remember your password, okay? Once you get in, log into it, okay? And you are then going to have all of this which you need to fill in your information, address, birth date. For anticipated graduation date, just put 6/1/2021 or whatever year you're in. And then click update. And when you get into here, you have to make sure that your school says Como Park High School, okay, because that's the school we're at. And you have to pick, again, the three classes that you're only going to pick from here are business comm, business information apps, and business and global economy. Of course, you're not going to choose them if you didn't take it, but if you took them, you need to select them. And here's the other really big piece. You have to select me as the teacher. Even if you had Mr. Lee or Mr. Kanutis, just select me because I am able to go in there and say that you either did get the A or B or did not get the A or B for that class, okay? So it's as simple as going over there and hitting enroll me. You're going to click, it doesn't matter what, if you forget what grade you took it, but business info apps, let's say you took it in 11th grade, you do not have to put a section and just hit registered. Then it will say enrolled, and then I go in there and I actually do say that either you were successful in it or you were not, okay? So you leave it like this. Then when I go back in and I put that you did do it, you're going to come back in here and log in and download that form, okay? Right now it's going to say I don't because I didn't okay it, but it comes back looking like this. This is the form. This is what it looks like, okay? So it's the CTE website and it will have the three classes. This is what you need to bring with you to the college, as well as, again, here is the St. Paul College transcript and what it looks like. If you brought in the credit here as well, if you received the full 16 credit, it's going to say it right here on the transcript. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know right away.